Welcome, Alexis Rondeau here. This is Whiteboard Mastery, and today I have a really exciting announcement to make. I'm giving a free whiteboard hacking workshop at Factory in Berlin next week on Wednesday. It's going to be the first part of a two-part series, of a two-part workshop, and on Wednesday we will tackle the basics, the basic vocabulary, the visual vocabulary to give you all the tools that you need to make great whiteboards and make yourself understood and share your ideas and crush problems. And in order to do all of these things, I want to sort of revisit the fundamentals in this first part of the course, which is learn a new way to write, learn how to write fast and clear instead of trying to shoehorn your existing handwriting to fit on the whiteboard. We'll do something completely new. I'll teach a new type of script that has worked really well in the last few hundred years to relay information on a wall. And then we will go into drawing basic shapes, obviously simple things like lines and arrows and squares and rectangles and circles and triangles. And while you may think, oh, this is obviously too simple and why even bother with it, I think it's super awesome and super crucial to revisit those fundamentals, because in the third part of the course on Wednesday, we'll actually start doing basic illustrations like a house, which may just be the combination of a square and a triangle, right? Or a light bulb, the classic, I have an idea light bulb. That may be just a square with a circle with a square and with a few wiggly lines, and you have a light bulb. So first we'll do lettering, because you will most likely be writing human written language at least 50% of the time when you're on the whiteboard. And then we will tackle the basic shapes, and then we'll go into simple illustrations. And super excited for this. I have a lot to prepare for this, actually. Little cheat sheets and worksheets that the participants can work with and work from and use as a direction. And super excited. Workshop coming up. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to participate, or if you're interested in seeing a video, let me know. Then I will actually put up a camera and record it for those who can make it. So let me know. Publish a comment below. And otherwise, if you're on the list, if you're coming to the workshop, looking forward to seeing you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.